What's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. My name is Ty and my blog is thexking.com. Hit you with my first video of the day, and today I'm answering a really that's a common question, but it's a hard one. It's what's the fastest way to make money online? And the fastest way, and I'm gonna be honest with you, the fastest way to make money online is going to be the hardest way to make money online, and cost you the most money. And the number one way I see makes up money online is with paid traffic. And then with that paid traffic, you click the email, and you might make money on the front end. You might advertise a product, and you might make money on the front end, but that really happens. It happens. You make money. You can put up an ad today and make money today. It's possible. You can do that, but it doesn't cost you money. And you got to have the right ad in front of the right person at the right time. So that's the fastest way I think you make money online. You can use YouTube as well. Do a YouTube video, if you get some views to it that day, instead of driving traffic to that video, you can make money that way. But that's hit and miss. Make money online is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time, it's patience, it takes traffic and content to make money. So you want to start an online business and make money, start a blog, YouTube channel, email list, build your social media profiles, build up Pinterest, and get traffic. Just learn to get traffic, and that's it. That's the fastest way you can make money online. Paid traffic. Paid traffic could be Google, Bing, Facebook ads. Collect the lead to email list, use Aweber, and email that person every day to make the money. That's the best way I can tell you to make money. That's the fastest way to make money online. So real quick video, real quick. I'm about to get my hair cut. Thanks for watching my video. Share the video, and I'll see you next time.